Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to create extreme speed effect by using radial blur filter. For more details, see the video description box. Enjoy watching, remember to subscribe in my channel. So let's get started. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+Command+J. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Choose Amount, 25, Blur Method, Zoom, Quality, Good. Add a layer mask. Choose Eraser tool from the toolbar. Remove the filter effect on the front of the train. Merge visible layer from layer menu. From adjustment layer choose color lookup, choose an effect of your choice. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe in my channel.